To copy items from one bid into another bid, you'll need either assemblies or bid merge. Click on the bid menu at the top when you're in the system. If you see select items by assembly, merge items from bid work package, then you have what you'll need to follow the instructions that follow. The assembly method allows you to pull items in from another bid by creating an assembly in that bid. They will not have quantities in them. The merge items from bid work package allows you to pull items in based on these items being in a bid with quantities. To combine items from another bid using the assembly method, we would open that bid. We're just going to use as an example a small little bid here. We're going to tag the two items listed here. You right mouse click and select Save Tagged Items to an Assembly. And you can either create, probably best to create assembly. I'm just going to call it a test 1 for our example here. And click the Use button, and it will add those two items to an assembly. Now switch back to the original bid. Depending how your preferences are set, if your preferences, options and preferences, if you have a check mark in the Add New Bid Items to the end of the list, they'll go to the end. If that's unchecked, which we're going to do now, they'll go wherever you want them to go. You can always move them in any case. So we're going to click right here on this blue one and go to the assembly selection and scroll down to that one assembly and add it and say done, and we have the two items in here. You can move them around from the tag menu if they were at the bottom of the list. To use the bid merge work package to bring items into a bid, you have a couple of different options along with the ability to have quantities with the items that you bring in. We're going to open up that same bid that we used before for the example on making an assembly. This time you could have a number of items in a particular bid, and you may not want all of them to bring into another bid. This is generally going to be the case. So you would tag the items that you want to bring into the new bid, and then go to the tag menu and flip the tags after you tag them, and we're going to delete or get rid of the items we don't want. Once we delete them, we'll need to save the bid as another bid because it is modified the one we got the items from. So we'll use save bid as, and we'll just type in a test in here. Click OK. Yeah, we'll replace it. And then go back to the original bid. This time we're going to go to the bid menu and merge items from bid work package and scroll down to the test bid we had. This time you'll notice you can bring them into the item selection worksheet if you want to add more things to them, or right into the bid, which we're going to do now. You also have a multiplier. There will be times when that makes sense. I'm going to click OK, and you'll see they are in the bid here.